Today we're revisiting the structure of macromolecules in more detail. Simple sugars are called monosaccharides, and they look like this glucose molecule. Mono means one, and saccharide means sugar. Two monosaccharides strung together are a disaccharide. Table sugar and the sugar in milk are both disaccharides. When more than two monosaccharides are strung together, you have a polysaccharide, and these can be really big, like potato starch, which has thousands of sugars in it. Carbohydrates have lots of energy in them. We break these molecules down and use that energy to do things. Plants sometimes store energy this way. There are some kinds of carbohydrates that are also used for structure. The bonds in cellulose, for instance, make plant cell walls tough. Cellulose makes celery crunchy. It's also impossible for our digestive system to break down. Cellulose is fiber in our food. While we can't break it down, it's important for the health of our digestive system. Chitin is a carbohydrate that makes the exoskeleton of insects hard. Lipids are important for energy storage and for protection. We've talked some about fatty acids and the difference between the saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids are more likely to be found in animals. Animals often have a higher body temperature than plants. Their fatty acids won't be solid in a living organism, even though they're solid at room temperature. Plants are cooler, and they need their lipids to remain liquid to use them, so those lipids tend to be liquid at room temperature. Other important lipids include phospholipids that are found in membranes. These lipids have an end that's soluble in water and a tail that isn't. Their structure allows them to form an effective barrier around a cell. Steroids are a kind of lipid that the body uses to send messages. Cholesterol is a kind of steroid, and it can be used to make other kinds. Proteins have very complex shapes that are caused by the chemical properties of the amino acids that make them up. When a protein is first made, it is a chain of amino acids. Some of the amino acids will be water-soluble and some won't. The chain will fold itself into a specific shape that's called its secondary structure. Other chemicals might come along and change the structure some more, causing it to have a more complex tertiary structure. Finally, it might combine with other proteins to form a quaternary structure. This complexity allows proteins to act as enzymes and serve many functions. Temperature and acidity can change the shape of a protein and change its function. This is what happens when you fry an egg. Understanding the structure of macromolecules can help you understand their functions. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome!